Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Ethereum price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And starting here on the weekly chart, as you can see for Ethereum, a very quick overview of course for the bullish and bearish scenario. We have finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulse toward the upside, finishing wave 1 or a wave A, meaning you're looking here for a wave 1 and then 2 and then 3, 4 and a 5 and continuation toward the upside in case you are impulsive. If you are in a wave A here as an impulse, you're looking for a wave B as a 3 corrective wave again, and of course a continuation toward the upside for a wave C. Now currently we are in this corrective wave, which is in both case scenarios here. We are looking for 3 corrective waves and continuation for higher prices. Currently we have a very long corrective wave here, of course for a wave X, where we didn't saw any kind of impulsive waves. We have W, X, and a Y potentially here. Now, what are the scenarios that, of course, we might have, of course, for this? We are looking here exactly at several scenarios. The most important one is this triangle. Can it be in a triangle here as an A, B, C, D, and an E? It is, of course, possible. However, your wave B is very long in time here, which I don't like it so much. It tends, of course, to be much more something like it can be like W, X, and a Y potentially. Your wave Y might be in a triangle here, so it can be playing almost the same scenario here as a wave Y and then moving toward the upside. This is the most highest possibility actually. That's why I have started with it for Ethereum. The next possible scenario is you have finished an impulse here 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Finish wave 1 and then wave 2 after it, and you're looking for another wave 1 here, finished of course as an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And you're looking for an ABC here correction as of course another 1, 2, meaning you are in double 1, 2s potentially here where you have 1, 2. I don't like it, of course, because touching only the 0.23. I prefer to see this only on Bitcoin, to keep it on Bitcoin, because Bitcoin tends to do it just in some special cases, of course, which are 3/3 waves. But this is, of course, very rare to see anyway for Ethereum as well. So I don't believe it too much, of course, that it is 1, 2, 1, 2 because of this, therefore lower possibility. Now, if you are in 1, 2, 1, 2, meaning here, this is your second wave 2, and your wave 2 has reached already the 0.38 and moving toward the upside. And then, of course, because I'm saying this because, of course, if you are in a big wave 1 here, if you are in a big wave 1 and you're looking for a wave 2, if you take, of course, this regular flat as 1-to-1 fib level, you will see a $750 around the 1-to-1 fib level, which is a very, very low price regarding to the, of course, all-time high, which is 5,000 almost for Ethereum. Going from 5,000 to 750, that is less than 10%. And of course, this is not really nice to see for Ethereum. What is even much uglier is that you did not reach the 0.23 fib level yet, taken from the start of the wave 1 to the end of it. You did not reach it yet until 422, and this is only 0.23. If you are in a big wave 1, 2, you would like to hit, of course, the 0.38, which is the $93, which is impossible. And that because, of course, Ethereum was a huge impulse toward the upside, very fast, huge impulse. I would say the growth of Ethereum, I can see how the growth of Ethereum was very, very fast, even faster than Bitcoin actually, in terms of growth with price and time. But that's why right now Ethereum is, of course, slowing down and taking it easier and start to readjust the chart and then moving, of course, toward the upside. However, based on Elliott wave theory, that is, of course, one of these corrections. When you go in time, the price gets, of course, a little bit lower possibility to move for low, because you have to choose when you are in a correction. Sometimes the price try to make a choice between time, taking more time for a sideways correction, or just getting a very low price. Yeah, and obviously Ethereum here is moving in time, rather of course taking a very, very low price, which is of course 93, and it's unacceptable actually. So potentially the scenario that I see the most highest possibility scenario is of course our zigzag or W, X, and a Y. Your wave Y is the zigzag here, is a triangle, sorry, not zigzag. Your wave Y is a triangle here, finishing in time simply and then moving toward the upside. This is what I see for Ethereum. Let's move inside it for a very fast overview inside Ethereum. We can see on the 4-hour chart currently, if we have of course our wave B here as in 3 waves down, 3 wave up, potentially this is the highest possibility actually, and that's why we are seeing double 1-2s here, because we have of course potentially an expanding flat here. 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 4 and a 5. So we're still looking for a wave 4 in the magenta, and I believe of course the time required for this wave 2 is still not reached yet for a wave 4, and we're still looking for this time here, this blue box, meaning a little bit higher prices. As you can see already, the green has started to show up, yeah, and potentially we're moving a little bit higher to hit at least the fib level, and of course at least around the time of this blue box, and then moving toward the downside of course one more time for a wave 5, and potentially to hit the perfect fib levels between the 0.618 and 0.1, taken of course from this wave 1 till the end of this wave 3, giving us of course this box here, which is 0.618 and 0.1, plus a confluence with the A, B, and a C targets, which are the 1.38, 1.618. The confluence target between those two is, of course, this blue box. So I'm expecting a wave 5 to hit exactly, of course, inside this blue box, based on time as well, and of course on the fib level. That was it for Ethereum. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.